Amanda here, and I'm here to do my March Empties video. Now I'm still a little sick, so sorry if I sound a little off, but I just wanted to get this done because there's really not that many empties for March anyway. So let's hop right into it. So the first item I have here is the Bausch & Lomb Bio True, and this is contact lens solution. This is the one my eyes are least irritated by. My eyes don't particularly like any of them, but this one seems to provide the least irritation. So this is the one I use, and they usually have a 2-pack of these big old bottles at most big box stores. So finish that. I also finished up the the body serum. I don't like that this in theory requires multiple steps, because this is not moisturizing in and of itself. You need to put this on and then put something else on, like a lotion or a body oil, and that's just too much fuss for me. This on its own just does not provide enough moisture, and I can't be bothered to have extra steps. I just want to put on my lotion or my body oil after the shower and be done with it. So I wouldn't repurchase this. Not my favorite product from Necessaire, but I absolutely would repurchase their lotion. I think their lotion's very good. Next, I finished up the Body Shop British Rose Shower Scrub. And while this is not my favorite shower scrub necessarily, I do think the grit is really nice. I just like the medicative qualities to the First Aid Beauty KP scrub, how that's got some actives in it. I mean, you obviously have to leave it on your skin for a few minutes for them to actually have a chance to do anything, but if you do put on your scrub and scrub it and then leave it before you rinse, that actually does have an effect on the skin, whereas this doesn't have anything medicative to it. But the grit was nice, and I love the smell. Like, even stuffed up, this is such a really nice rose smell. I might get this once in a while if I happen to be by a physical at the Body Shop. I'm not going to order it online, but I'd probably just get this small little trial size one simply for the smell. I think the smell is really good. Also for the shower, I used the La Jolla the Olive Breeze soap, and this is just a bar soap. Honestly, I don't see the point in super fancy bar soaps. I'm not a bar soap kind of person though. So yeah, used it, and it does what a bar soap does. Cleans and is nice for shaving and pits and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna repurchase this. I'm not a bar soap person. Then I also finished the Pacifica Island Vanilla Hair and Body Mist, and I do have the fragrance, the perfume of this now, so I was just really pushing to use this up to kind of get it out of my fragrance collection, since I have the stronger, longer lasting version. But this is really nice, and if I was someone that like went to the gym or something, I would probably get one of these to keep in a gym bag. Definitely good for that purpose. We have all our workout equipment at home because I just can't be bothered to be around people. It is what it is. But this would also be nice for a travel bag. Yeah, 2 fluid ounces, so you could travel with this instead of having to travel with like a glass perfume bottle. I do think the Pacifica scents are really nice, and Island Vanilla in particular just smells amazing, and they're so affordable. If you have not tried Pacifica fragrances, you're really sleeping on something great. So check that out. Keeping in the realm of fragrance, I used the Pin Rose Petal in Bold Soul. Bold Soul is a smell I love. It reminds me of like some kind of candy or something. It smells so good. Does it have the notes on here? Crushed blackberry, tuberose, and vanilla. This is one I'll definitely be buying a bottle of because I love the scent. It's so good. And a scent that I did not love. This is the By Rosie Jane scent in James. So I did not care for this scent, and it did lean in my mind to hair masculine. So I gave it to Austin to try too, and he didn't really like it either. So I'm just gonna give this to a friend. Maybe someone else will have better success with this based on their body chemistry. But yeah, James was not for me. finished one makeup product, and I'd love to tell you what it was, but I seem to have rubbed off all of the writing. This was a felt tip black liquid liner, and it was great. I used this for a really long time. It lasted a really long time, but it's gone now. And my last two items are skincare items. We have from Evio Skin the Pink Perspective Hydro Gel Eye Therapy Eye Masks. I really like these, and I just really enjoy this type of eye mask to begin with, but these ones are really nice and do provide a good bit of hydration. And then I also finished the HelloFab First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothie Primer Moisturizer. Long ass name, and mine's all cut up because I got every bit out of there, but it's my favorite daytime moisturizer. It provides luminescence without looking blatantly shimmery, and it is a good base for makeup, and it maintains that really pretty luminosity even with me putting my sunscreen over top of it. So I really like that, and this is the one I will continue to repurchase. I already have backups in my medicine cabinet of these, so really love that product. And that is everything I used up this month. Like I said, it was a pretty quick one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. And if you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.